From outside, we can see the baby moving. The umbilical cord is short, about 1 metre long, to help prevent the elephant strangling itself during the gestation period. But as a result, as he travels down the birth canal, the cord snaps and retracts back into the uterus. But that's okay, because even with his lifeline broken, the baby elephant can survive for up to 20 minutes inside his mother's uterus. His mother has been in labour for just over an hour. After nearly 2 years inside the safety of his mother's uterus, the baby elephant finally enters the world to take his first breath. He's grown from a tiny clump of cells to a newborn weighing 120 kilos. Just 30 minutes after birth, he takes his first steps. As yet, he has no control of his trunk. It will be a year before he can use it effectively. And his eyes are not yet functioning properly. In the wild, most elephants are born at night, between 2 and 4 a.m. This gives them a little time for their eyes to adjust before the sun rises. Until he can see properly, he must rely on mother to guide him to her milk. This newborn will consume 15 litres of milk a day. He will suckle for the next 5 years of his life and will remain with his mother until he's about 13. When he's fully grown, he'll weigh close to 5 tons, the same weight as nearly 60 fully grown men. After nearly 2 years gestation, his mother will not ovulate again for